Hello, this is Annalisa and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be sharing a day in the life, and the sun was shining this particular morning and we had a good week, so we took Friday off to relax, bake together, and do some activities around the house and get outside because of the sun. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this day in the life video. We made a pumpkin spice cake and turned it into mini donuts. I used my cake pop pans to do this, and I actually ended up putting too much of the pumpkin in. It said 1 can, but I didn't read how many ounces, so it was a little mushy with all of the pumpkin in it. and it didn't cook super well, but that is okay. They still turned out great. Definitely check how many ounces you need versus just the can. If you get a smaller can, it's probably fine, but this was a bigger can and I did not think about that. But the recipe turned out really great and really fun, and this was an experiment, so I will definitely try this again in the future. We will enjoy the treat at the end of the video, so stay tuned and continue to stay curious as you create a fun homeschool environment for your kiddos. My daughter has been loving watercolor paints lately, and I was so hesitant to let her do this because it can get super messy, but I'm so glad that I let her, and I let her embrace her creativity and be curious in this way, and she is so happy, and it is just so amazing to see that happiness and that creativity flow out of her, and I'm so excited to see what this little bit of art can do and where it takes her as she continues to grow. Messy but beautiful moments. Let your kids explore and get messy if you can, but make it work for you. And then this is the boys playing Legos. There's not a day that goes by that these guys are not building with Legos or cardboard or blocks. They love this outlet, and it is awesome to see them build cars and motors, and not really motors, but contraptions that work. They take elastics and make things move, and it's beautiful. And this is their new Lego setup. It is a work in progress, but we are figuring out the organization for them and helping them build all the things. This was a very chill, cozy fall homeschool day. And it was a beautiful day outside, so we decided to go outside and enjoy the beautiful weather. We had pizza the night before, so this was leftovers, so super simple lunch with leftover pizza. And the weather has been quite mixed. It's been warm and sunny, and then we've been having a few days here and there that are rainy and cold, and mornings are typically colder, so we were embracing this beautiful weather until it gets really cold and really wet. Enjoying the weather while we can, because winter is upon us and it will get colder and it will be harder to get outside. We do have a really nice undercovered area, which is awesome for rainy days and snow when we just need to be outside but can't. So now I'm getting the donuts, the mini donuts or cake pops out of the oven, whatever you want to call them. And like I said at the beginning, I did end up putting too much pumpkin in there. They still tasted really, really good, but I did try and cook them uncovered a little bit just to get some of that pumpkin to cook in a little bit more, and this did help. So put them in for a little bit longer. What's this? Huh? You want this? You cannot have that. You cannot. No, you cannot. You cannot have the food. This vlog is going to be coming to an end, but first we are enjoying our mini donuts, and the boys actually end up dunking them in the chocolate milk, which is super cute and creative, and they said it tasted really, really good. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Here on my channel, I share a homeschool journey, cleaning motivation, home decor, sensory bins, vlogs here and there, and more. So definitely hit the subscribe button and join us here, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.